Hi again, welcome to my latest video. Well, do you remember this camera, the Canon T70? A regular film camera that I recently dug up and found again accidentally, and was able to get it to work again by cleaning the battery contacts, even though they pretty much completely exploded. Well, today I got myself some nice fresh Fujifilm for this camera. I'm going to put a roll of this in there. It's 36 exposure, 200 ISO, and then I'll take some pictures. I'll go outside today. It's actually Easter. The weather outside is actually beautiful right now, so hopefully it stays that way long enough. I've also got the telephoto lens, and I'm going to go ahead and put that on and take some telephoto pictures as well with that camera. Anyway, stick around to the end, and hopefully you'll see some of the pictures. I do have to send this away. I'm not sure any local camera shops or other services are available that can accept the film, but even if they do, I'm sure they don't develop it right away anyway. So it'll probably take me, the better part of a week to get them back and to be able to put them here online. Also, the new way they do it is they give you the choice of either getting regular hard pictures, or they put it on their website in digital format, and then you can download them as you wish. And I'll probably do the latter, since that's the best way to show it to you anyway. But you never know, I might see some good ones there that I decide to get hard prints of. Oh, I almost forgot, before I bring it out there, the lenses on this have not been cleaned in quite a while, so I got myself a lens cleaning kit here. I'm going to go through and clean the lenses on it, and that'll include the telephoto lens as well, because I want to go out and use that one as well outside for some of these pictures. So let me do that so that we have a nice clean lens and get some nice, crisp, sharp pictures. Again, stick around to the end, and you'll be able to see something, hopefully, that this camera produces. Okay, here it is. Let me take the lens off so I can clean the camera mirror first. Push this little lever here, then turn it all the way around, like that. So I'm going to clean the mirror out. This kit has that in there. I'm going to speed through it so you can see everything that I'm going to clean. I'm going to clean both lenses as well. And that's it. I think we're looking good at this point. I won't clean anything else at this point. That seems to be good enough. So let me get started. Okay, let's open this guy up and get some film in here. I do have the command back on. I set it for today's date, so we should see that impressed on every one of the pictures. We pull it all the way over to the orange marker here. Make sure the camera is on. I got to put it on average. So you see program in there. So let's close this and see what we got. There it goes. It's all loaded. Let me make sure the ISO is set right. Set it to down 200. Okay. The command back is not as linear, so I have to set it to the highest one. So hopefully that works okay with the command back. So it's all ready to go. I'll turn it off for now, and then I'll head outside.